Oh, look at this gorgeous weather, guys. Oh, I apologize for no videos lately. It's been a whirlwind. I've been sick. Weather's been crap, but not a cloud in the sky. So I'm still kind of sick. I'm dying here. Anyways, just waiting for Matt. Gonna throw some old petrol in this thing. Maybe burn off the back tires. I don't know. We don't have much daylight left, so it's only a good hour. And then yeah, see what we got. I just put a fresh belt on this thing. So she's belt break-in day. Good luck, new belt. Oh yeah. You can just hear the pump sucking her back already. I think this thing was a little empty. She's a thirsty girl. It's not cheap to fill this thing anymore. But you know what? You gotta pay to play, right? There he goes, old Harry the bald eagle. I just saw him last second, got my phone out. There's always bald eagles flying around here.
Hey Mark, give me a boost.
Oh yeah, before we get ripping here, I got the Asperks AX 3000. This thing's a beast. It'll jump start an ATV or a semi truck. You just hit the old boost button. It lets you know if you got her on reverse, if you're gonna explode your battery or not. We got some USB, USB-C. We got a compass. We got a flashlight, and this thing's gonna rip. Fire it up.
Give her a try. Here
Yeah.
we go.
Check it out. Link below. Let's roll. Oh, the kid is back. Hey, slow down a little there, Blue Gloves.
What's up?
Got a freshie for you.
Oh.
It's great for wiping goggles, wiping butt, whatever you gotta do.
Right on.
Are you ready to rip? Look at these, couple pro tappers.
Oh yeah. Hey, I don't want to hurt the chin.
Hey, I hear you're hard on your chin in.
Yeah.
Oh.
And wrist.
Hey, you ever done a wheelie in front of this place?
Oh,
You want to?
on the pavement.
That's fine. Just a quick little guy.
Hey.
Hey, just don't rip up the lawn.
Okay. Try not to scrape it.
Hey, don't scrape the lawn.
All right.
Oh, this guy, eh? Oh, this guy. Getting excited now. Gonna end up in the garden on the old fountain there. Or on the old Kia. All right, I guess I should jump in my machine. As you can see, the shadows are getting long. We're gonna try and make it to Turtle. Probably super muddy down there. That was smooth like XX.
Oh yeah.
I'm thinking quick donies at the road, then turts.
Let's do her.
You in?
Oh yeah.
Let's do it. quick though here, Matt. Let's go have a bit more fun over there.
All right, let's do it. I think she's a little stuck. Uh-oh. But holy shit. You made some pretty good ruts.
Yeah, it went on my face. Yeah, I wasn't really planning on getting this muddy, but my idea in my head was to get a slow-mo kind of drifting the water's edge, but I missed it and just went straight in and got stuck. And I was like, you know what? If you're going to do it, you might as well hold it wide open, right? The Maverick never fails. If that was a Polaris, you'd be done. You might as well just light it on fire and leave it there. Maverick, it's fine. I didn't even need your Outlander in limp mode.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, so
I don't think the Outlander could do that. I think she'd be sinking.
I mean, I think I'm dirtier than you now.
I think so.
Good. All right.
Hey, the fresh tires do great.
These are not fresh tires, Matt. These got at least 6 burnouts on them.
Oh, okay,
6
bud.
burnouts. They're basically junk. I'll just send them to the yard. I'm just kidding. Those work fantastic.
Let's burn them off, Mark.
Super. I tried. Didn't you see me?
Longer.
I think you're longer. I had to keep some tread for down here. Oh man. All right, let's chill for a few minutes. Yeah, that sun goes down quick. I wish the river wasn't as high because we could play in it. I also wish this was flat and there was no water there, because if we had like a half pipe hill there, straight across, boom, I could skip that whole thing. Hey, guy?
Yeah, right down from there, right across.
No problem.
Yeah, no problem.
Another day in the life. Barely saw your quad since it's camo.
But she blends right in. I just need to wear a camo.
Yeah, High-Vis. High-Vis
gives it away.
Yeah, didn't you find that somewhere?
Yeah, Festival Hydro.
Oh, I was gonna say, don't tell them. Don't tell. They might want it back from 1980.
Hey, and the hard ass.
And the hard hats. I hung mine up. It feels good. All right, I think we're just gonna hit the edge of the river, clean this thing off, and then keep her going. What is that? It looks like the front of a helmet. See how deep she be here. Not bad, not bad. Off to a good start. That thing is deep. That's how we clean up the tires, boys. Oh, what a view. I miss nights like these. Belt got a little wet there, probably from reversing. What's this guy doing? The old belt got a little wet.
Oh, she's a little deep.
Well, I reversed it, so she just sucked in a little water. It's good for it, though. Brand new belt.
Hey, you gotta break her in.
Yeah, exactly. That's why we did donuts.
How deep is it?
How deep is it?
Yeah.
I don't know. It wasn't that bad. 1.5. Can you believe this is how many kilometers I got on this thing? 2022, I've barely driven it. This guy, eh? Ho-ho! Woo! Ho-ho-ho-ho. Hey, don't take my door off. At least my tires are kind of clean. You will, I believe in you. Oh, oh, you can do better. Don't break your wrist this time. Yeah, beautiful. He thinks he's gonna wheelie up this muddy hill. He might be able to. We'll see. Behind the trees, but he'll pop out. Oh, this guy. That was a pretty good wheelie.
Not bad.
Approved. Let's roll. Oh yeah, I can see 2020. Look at that. Beautiful. I can't believe you made me do this, Matt.
Hey,
Wasn't
my idea.
Quick slow-mo the boys. Oh, and that new helmet. Bite my cheeks a lot.
Makes your cheeks hurt, eh?
Makes me cheeks hurt. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Thank you, Matt, for coming out. Hope you guys had a fantastic day. Apparently, I just got one arm, left arm. Maverick was good. Apparently I just need a new pressure washer because mine somehow disappeared. I don't know how that happens, but it disappeared. So the folks overseas called me. They said they're sending a new one. I said, okay, guys, do what you gotta do. Anyways, thank you guys again. Don't do anything I wouldn't do. Watch out for bald eagles. We'll see you later. Bye-bye.